So if you have two functions that you're trying to add, f at x plus g at x, this is often written like this, f plus g at x. If you see the symbol here, that means you're adding the two functions. Okay. So I want to do a domain question, example. All right, so if f at x is equal to square root of x plus 1, and g at x is equal to square root of 4 minus x, find the domain of f plus g. Okay, so sometimes I'm going to use this symbol here, and sometimes I'm going to use this symbol, this domain of f plus g. Okay, I think both symbols are used in certain textbooks. Does anybody have an idea what it might be? First of all, f plus g is this. Okay, so sum of these two root functions. So what is the domain of this function? What is it that you can put into this function? What is it that you can put into this function here? X is greater than or equal to -1, right? What is it that you can put into here?
X is greater than 4.
S is less than equal to. So again, if you're confused, you just do this. 4 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. So x is less than or equal to 4. So anything bigger than equal to -1, you can put it in here. Anything less than equal to 4, you can put it in there. So let me draw down a number line. Here's -1, here's 4. So the first part, it's like this. Second part, it's like this. What does that mean? What can you put into both machines? Both functions. Just the ones in between. Do you see that? If you pick a number in here, okay, you can put it into here, but if you try to put it in there, it'll malfunction. Does that make sense? Right? Like for example, if you plug in 6, look, what happens if you do square root of 4 minus 6? Doesn't work. It's undefined. So visually, when you find your individual domain, the domain of the sum is going to be the common place. So it's going to be x such that x is between -1 and 4. And this is true in general. Okay? So let's say you have domain of f and domain of g. Domain of f plus g is going to be domain of f. This is intersection of domain of g. So it's the common area shared between the two.